Brian Sensei here. Have you ever found yourself working in Google Apps or Microsoft 365 and you get this pop-up message warning you about running out of storage space? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Google Drive and your OneDrive so you can get rid of that pesky message and avoid paying more for additional storage. Let's dig in. All right, let's start with the Google Drive first. So here I am in my Gmail, Google Mail. I'm going to come over all the way to the right and click the waffle where I can switch to the Google Drive right here. We'll go into Drive. Then what we're going to see down here at the bottom left, we've got storage 95% full. I'm going to go ahead and click here. And here we're going to see get more storage or clean up space. All right, we're going to go over to clean up space. And what you're going to see here is a bar showing you how much your total capacity of storage is and how much you've used. And if I click usage details, I'm going to see it broken down by categories with the largest on top. So my Google Photos take up over 10 gigs of storage. My device backup, which is my mobile phone, takes up a little over 2 gigs of storage. And my Gmail takes up almost 2 gigs of storage. And then my Google Drive is 14.5 megabytes. Now, if you're not familiar with how storage capacity is measured, just remember that megabytes are larger than kilobytes, gigabytes are larger than megabytes, and guess what's larger than a gigabyte? Drum roll, please. You guessed it, terabytes. All right, now scrolling down further, what you're gonna see here is clean up suggested items. Large photos and videos, 3 gigs or more, emails with large attachments, spam emails. And below each of these, you can click here to review these items and you can go through and delete them to free up space. Let's go into large photos and videos. All right, so here they're showing me the largest photos and videos in my storage. And so I can go through here, click on the videos, and I can preview them. Oh, and here's a nice video from a recent vacation. Oh, I think I want to keep this one. I'm going to go ahead and close it. But let's say, for example, that I wanted to go ahead and delete this. I can select it here, and I can select multiple files. And then I can go up and click Move to Trash. And that's going to free up 146 megabytes. All right, going back, we can do the same thing with our emails that have large attachments. We can review those emails and see the largest at the top, and we can go down and delete any emails that we no longer need to keep. Below this, you can clean up by service. So I can click over to Google Photos and simply go through all my photos and videos and make deletions that way. All right, now let's go over and look at OneDrive. All right, so here I am in Microsoft 365 Copilot. I'm gonna click over here into my OneDrive. Then I'm gonna go up to the gear at the top right. And in here, you're gonna see Manage or Buy Storage. I'll go ahead and click Manage. All right, and in here, again, it's going to show me my total capacity. In this account, I have a paid subscription, and I get up to 1 terabyte of storage. I've used 87 gigabytes. Now, below that, you're going to see free up space. And I can click into my OneDrive to free up space there, or I can go to Outlook and free up those large attachment emails. Let's look at OneDrive. All right, and so here you can see these are MP4s, these are video files. Over here at the right, we've got the file size listed. So this video here is just under 1 gigabyte, 0.99. And on down, 945 megabytes, 926 megabytes, etc. And then they get smaller. And so again, you can click on these and preview them. Brian Sensei here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to... Oh, I got to keep that one. But you can see up here, there is a trash can. I can go ahead and delete it if I want. I can download it to my desktop and save it there or on a external drive. In this case, I want to keep it, so I'm going to go ahead and close it out. Or when I'm back in this list, I can select multiple files by clicking the radio buttons off to the left, and then I can come up here to the top left and click delete. Also notice you have the download option. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.